I'm really, really pleased by the way this design is coming to life on stage. I think we've lit it very beautifully, Ace as ever, and I think the simplicity really speaks in the third act. There was a moment in the third act where I was really caught emotionally in it, and just watching these two people who we've become incredibly familiar with reaching the end of life and dealing with that together is incredibly touching, and it's beautifully done in the opera. Obviously at this stage we were in our second day of working with orchestra and stage and everything together, so there's lots and lots of things that we want to sort out, lots of small details, lots of big things sometimes, but it's a very collaborative process. He nailed it then.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, really nice. Huge lovely.
He just slightly he got his text a bit muddled at the end, but didn't he?
Yeah, no. But the trouble is, you can see when he's got his text a bit wrong at the end because his finger twitches. Because he's looking at her, he's not catching Richard's beat well enough, so I need to slightly adjust that positionally. Well, there's a whole chunk of stuff there, which would be good to rehearse in bits.
Yeah,
rather
please.
than put it in chunks. Just do whatever bits you want.
Okay, fine.
I mean, I know it's working in terms of what I can do. I'm just full of hope and full of trust in Guiteau and the music and the drama. I think it's beautiful.